Hi, my name is Cassie, and I've had the pleasure of working with Justine at the Healing Spot for over 3 years now for a variety of goals. I started seeing her while I was pregnant with my second child and was preparing for a natural birth. I was able to work on loosening up some tight spots in my hips and pelvic floor and really felt confident headed towards that second birth. I also started working with Justine postpartum. I was able to bring my newborn along with me and do some hands-on work there in the sessions, as well as take some exercise home to work on pain relief and realignment after having a baby. And the next goal I had was really to start working on strength training. And as I got into fitness routines, I kept finding that I was having tightness in my hips again and a little bit of pain and uncomfortability. So I found the Fit to Be classes that Justine offers, and I am so grateful for them. My youngest is almost 3 now, and it's so nice to be able to start getting back into a fitness routine. I tune into Fit to Be classes every Friday morning. It's so nice to have that accountability, the coaching, and some guidance into working on low pressure fitness again and increasing the strength that I have. I can now do some weight training and some of the old exercises I used to do in the past with far less pain and working through loosening everything up. I am so grateful for the Fit to Be classes and all of the services that Justine has offered me over the past 3 years. I highly recommend them.